What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's kind of random, but I figured why not fill a haul of all the random that I've bought in this quarantine. Literally, I cannot stop online shopping. I normally shop a lot on Amazon, but the amount of Amazon packages I have been placing orders for is insane. And it's not just Amazon, we're talking Sephora as well. Organizers, I've just been busy online shopping. All seriousness though, everything that is happening right now is super serious. I've been very vocal on my social media, trying my best to influence people to stay home and stay safe so that we can all contribute and do our part to slowing everything down. So please, 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 you guys stay home. I know a lot of people are now, if you can. Obviously that excludes if you are an essential worker and you need to work, which thank you guys so much for those of you who are essential workers. I don't want to go too much into it in this video because I've spoken about it in past videos, and I just want my videos from now on during this time to just be like an outlet for you guys, something for you to kind of distract your mind. It also distracts me kind of filming. I was debating on filming this video, but I asked you guys on Twitter if you would want to see just all the random stuff that I bought throughout this entire quarantine, and I was really surprised. Over 95, I think exactly 95% of you voted yes. So here we are. I'm going to share everything that I bought. Okay, so here's a few things that I bought from Amazon. Some reusable zip bags. So the other day I went grocery shopping and I was like, I need Ziploc bags. Not only is the toilet paper out of stock, you guys, not only is the paper towel out of stock, these Ziploc bags were like completely out of stock, and I had stocked up on meat so that I could like separate them and freeze it. And I was like, oh my god, how am I supposed to freeze this meat if I have nothing, like no Ziploc bags to put it in, and the glass, I have no plastic containers. Like, I was like, wow, I need some damn Ziploc bags. So I went on Amazon, I bought some Ziploc bags. So I have that in my cabinet there. So that's like one of the first things that I bought. And then I ended up thinking to myself, I should really get some reusable Ziploc bags. I do try my best to like use reusable items and try to lower the amount of like waste that I'm making. Like, I don't use plastic bags anymore to grocery shop. What else? I don't use paper towels really nearly ever. I use reusable cloths. So I try my best. So I figured let's try some Ziploc bags. I love these ones that I got because they're completely clear, so it just matches the aesthetic of my home, which you guys know is very important to me. Then it kind of hit me. I was like, I should try reusable cotton pads. So you know when you go to remove your makeup with some micellar water or putting on some toner. So I decided to get some reusable cotton pads, but they're not cotton pads, they're just like little, you know, I actually need to pop these in the dryer because I just washed them. When I got them in the mail, I didn't want to obviously use it on my face right away. I wanted to wash it first. So these are still a little bit wet. I have to pop them in the dryer, but it comes in this little laundry bag. So after a while, when you obviously need to clean them, you can kind of just keep popping it in this bag. I'll keep this bag in my bathroom, keep popping the dirty ones in the bag, and then just pop this right into the washing machine with some natural, eco-friendly detergent. Don't use like detergent full of chemicals, because whatever detergent you use on this, it's gonna go on your face. So keep that in mind. I use the Method, which I think is a pretty good option. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know, but I think I'm pretty happy with the Method. I mean, I'm not an expert here, so let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm excited to try these. Have not tried them yet, but I do like the size of them. Okay, so then I was on YouTube just exploring, and I came across this mask, which I used to use all the time back in the day. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. So like I said, I used to use this all the time back in the day, but it actually expired before I got to really finish it. So I know this is like a huge favorite. Like, so many people use this and say that it's amazing for your skin. Like I said, when I used it and I tried it, it was so good at really cleaning out your pores and just getting your skin super clean, fresh, and just really good at minimizing my pores, especially too, is something that I noticed. But it has been years since I tried this. So I kind of just like, not that I forgot, but I was like, you know what, I need to get back on that again, give it another try. And yeah, so I'm excited to try this. It says world's most powerful facial deep pore cleaning, which I do remember it cleaning out my pores really well. So I'm excited to give this another try years later. And then, you guys, I have been feeling like my hair ever since I bleached it. I mean, it's just a fact. I lost a lot of hair because my hair literally fell off. So that's a fact. But not only that, it's just, I feel like my hair is not as full and thick anymore. And ever since I bleached my hair for the past year, I have not dyed my hair, I haven't colored it, I haven't, actually the only thing I've done is I did get a toner once at a hairdresser. But yeah, I have barely touched my hair. I haven't bleached it, of course, at all. I'm happy with the color that it is now. So I Googled, I can't remember what I Googled, like hair thickening oil or how to thicken hair, something like that. And the first thing that came up was this, Jamaican black castor oil. And then I went on Amazon to buy it and I had amazing reviews. And then when I posted this on Instagram stories, you guys said that you loved it as well. So I actually used this for the first time yesterday on my hair. Pretty much what I do is take this and put it all over your scalp as well as all over your entire hair. And then I let it sit for about 6 hours and then I washed it off in the shower. So basically just like a hair treatment mask, let it sit in there. So I've decided that I'm gonna try doing this every single week for the next few months and see if I do notice hair growth and hair thickening, and I will update you guys and let you know how this works for me. Okay, next random thing that I bought. Not so random actually, because a lot of us are freaking out because we can't go to get our nails done. First world problems, I know, but I had UV gel on my nails and they were growing out and just looking crazy and my nails were long. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cut my nails, remove the gel, and just have my natural nails for the next few weeks or however long this lasts. So I needed to go on Amazon and buy a nail dryer and a nail drill. So I actually decided to buy the actual nail drill because that's the only way, one of the only effective ways that you can really remove builder gel or like acrylics or anything like that is with the drill. So I was a little bit scared to use the drill. But it actually, you know what, it was a little bit tricky at first, but then I kind of got the hang of it. So yeah, I bought the drill. I'll put a little picture of it up on the screen so you guys can see because it's just wrapped up in this case. And then of course I got the dryer, which I actually like this one because it has a little handle and it's pink and white, which is really cute. But the main reason why I got this one is because the delivery was fast. A lot of things on Amazon right now are like delivering in May, even, because they're prioritizing essential items, which is amazing. I'm not complaining at all. But this was one of the items that was gonna arrive in like a week or so that was good because I really needed to do my nails. So yeah, this actually worked really good. And then I did also buy gel top coat. I actually already had gel polish upstairs in my studio because I keep my signature polish upstairs just in case the salon that I go to doesn't have it. So my signature polish, which is the one that I'm wearing right now, is OPI Love is in the Bear. So you guys can see my nails, I did them. They're not perfect, okay? They are not perfect, but I feel like they're not bad. You know, they're really not bad, and at least they're kind of like, you know, especially when you look from farther away, I feel like they look pretty good and they're just nice and natural now, and at least I don't have the long overgrown out gel nails. So yeah, these came in handy. Okay, now this is kind of random, but it came in a 3-pack. I'm actually gonna insert some vlog footage right now and show you guys what I'm using this for. So these are acrylic stands. I'm actually using one right now to prop up my iPad as a monitor for filming right now. So these, the reason why I wanted this is because my mirror on my vanity filming table desk, filming makeup table, like I want it to like be raised a little bit more. I love that mirror. It's like the most perfect mirror ever. I bought it off Amazon, but sometimes I just want it to be higher. So I was like, it would be nice if I could just get a little stand, but something very sleek. And I was like, what about an acrylic stand? Because then it'll be just very naked and look really sleek. So I ended up going on Amazon, typing up acrylic stand, and I found this 3-pack, which actually came with 2. So 2 sets of 3. So it came with 6. And I was like, whoa, okay, did not ask for that many. Didn't even know it came with like 2 full sets. But anyways, it came with 3 different sizes each set. And this is like the smallest size. The one I have under my makeup is the medium size. The one I'm using right now is the big one. So I just thought it was perfect if you need to lift something and put something on a stand. I just think this is a really great sleek way to do it. So I ended up getting this and I love it and I'm happy with that. Next thing that we have here are organizers. I bought 3 of these organizers off Amazon. I have the other 2 upstairs, and I have some makeup in this bin that I bought that I'll share with you guys. So I have decided during this time, since I'm home a lot and I figured it would make great video content if I just get my lazy ass up and organize my bathroom cabinet, because I have been meaning to do that. I'm embarrassed to say I've been living here for 6 months and I have not organized my pantry, my fridge, or my bathroom cabinet. Now, I wanna organize my pantry and fridge, but like I'm too picky when it comes to that. I wanna be able to go to the store and shop for organizers, I think. unless I change my mind, unless this lasts for weeks and I go crazy and I change my mind. But I think I'm gonna wait it out and wait until I can actually go in the store and go shopping for organizers for my pantry and fridge. But I figured let's organize my bathroom cabinet. So you guys are gonna get a video coming up soon organizing my bathroom cabinet, my skincare drawer, my hair care drawer in my master bathroom. I'm still waiting for a shipment from Container Store. I bought like 15 organizers, I think it was, something crazy like that, because there's 2 vanities from Container Store, and I should be getting that package either end of this week or early next week. So that should be coming soon to you guys. So the first thing that I picked up is some backups of my favorite chapstick. So this is my ultimate favorite chapstick, you guys. It is the only one that works on my lips. Like, I don't know if you guys are the same, but I feel like other chapsticks, when I would use them, I just feel like nothing ever worked. Like, I'd put them on and then nothing would happen. But this is the only chapstick that actually really works for me. Like, it's so good, you guys. And the best part about it is it's 100% natural. It's from Pharmacy and it's called the Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. Absolutely amazing. It's an online exclusive, so I do have to only purchase it online, but anytime I'm making an order on Sephora, it's the perfect time to like add a few of these to my cart. Okay, so this wasn't from Sephora, although it is now on Sephora. I ended up going on the Artist Couture website and actually buying it directly from there. So Artist Couture came out with a new collection called the Supreme Nudes, and when I saw it on Trend Mood, you guys, I just fell in love. Take a look at how gorgeous this palette is. Like, are you kidding me? This is absolutely gorgeous. I just fell in love with the beautiful nudes, the matte nudes, and then the bronzy tones and the gorgeous like olive green right here. It just gave me so much inspo for like my makeup to do something super bronzy and olivey. I just finished doing an olivey one in my last makeup video because this inspired me. So yeah, like just look at all these delicious nudes. I knew instantly, which is rare for me because you guys, like, I'm so grateful for getting PR, I really am, but when you get so much PR delivered and there's so many new makeup launches and there's so much new makeup coming out, it tends to lower the excitement. Like, there's so many new collections all the time that it kind of gets oversaturated a little bit, and I don't get nearly as excited for new collections anymore as I used to. Because like I said, there's just so many of them, and I think a lot of you guys can relate to me on that. There's so many new collections that it's just kind of like, it takes something special to really make me be like, I want to buy that. At least for me, it takes something really special. So when I saw this and I was like, I want to buy that, that's how I knew this was special, and it really stood out to me. So I figured while I was at it, I was like, why don't I get a lipstick from the collection as well? This shade is called Saucy Gal, which it's actually a little bit darker, to be honest with you guys, than I normally would go for. I kind of wish I got the shade Angel Cake, but it is a beautiful nude. Like, it's gorgeous. It is just a little bit darker than I would normally go for. But you know what? Actually, I still haven't tried it on the lips. So I feel like this might be a great like throw on everyday nude. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, ooh, it smells really good. And then last thing from Sephora, I decided to pick up the Dior Forever Skin Concealer because I do have their foundation and I did really like it. And I kind of was just, I don't know, this just kind of caught my eye. So I decided to give it a try, and I just tried it today for the first time. It's definitely more of that like medium coverage, very natural feel, which is really pretty, but I do not like this shade on me. This is 2W, and it really just blended in with my foundation. So I think I'm gonna pick up the shade 1W. So I have that in my Sephora cart. I just was waiting to like try the formula. Now that I know that I like the formula, I am gonna get a lighter shade. And then I was watching YouTube and I came across this YouTuber and I just fell in love with her videos. And I came across, I think her name is, she's a new YouTuber for me, so I don't remember her name off by like heart. I think her name is Jordan. Actually, I'll pop her name up here so it's easier for you guys to see. And I saw her lip combo through the thumbnail and I was like, what lipstick is she wearing? Clicked the video and checked it out. And she was wearing Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. So I decided to go on Morphe and buy the exact lip combo she was wearing. So I bought Sweet Tea, which is exactly what I'm wearing today. And then I bought some Morphe lipsticks. She was wearing Fast Base. Let me put this down, hold on. So she was wearing Fast Base, and honestly, the combination was gorgeous. So I purchased Fast Base, and it's what I'm wearing today, as well as the Patrick Ta lip gloss on top. And then while I was at it and getting a lipstick, I figured why not get another one? So I figured I'd pick up this shade as well, called Commit. really pretty medium, like light medium nude. The Sweet Tea liner, you guys, I tried it today. It is the perfect nude color and also the perfect formula. Like, it glides on, but it's not too creamy, because you don't want a lip liner that's too creamy, because then you don't get smooth lines and it kind of will blur out too fast and like bleed. Just the formula was great and the color was amazing, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, next thing I bought was this yoga mat from Amazon. So I bought this because I've been doing tons of at-home workouts. Not gonna lie though, I haven't worked out for the past week, which I feel so guilty about, but I was just so lazy the past few days. But the week before that, I literally worked out 3 times at home, so I was really proud of myself. So this week I need to step my shit up. But I really need a yoga mat because I want to jump rope and I want to be able to put on my sneakers. Basically, I work out back there in my hallway and it's a nice open space, but I want to be able to put on my sneakers and jump rope. So at least on this mat, I can put on my sneakers without having to clean the bottom of them and whatever. So yeah, what I like about this mat is it's very thick. So I don't know if you guys can see the thickness of it. It's very thick. It's not like those little thin yoga mats. I'm telling you, if you are going to buy a yoga mat for at-home workouts, buy this one. It's so nice and thick, especially if you're gonna be laying down doing any ab workouts or hip thrusts or anything. This is gonna keep you comfortable and it's not gonna hurt your back or hurt your bum or whatever because it's not super thin. So the other item that I bought, I haven't opened the package yet, but I actually got a studio light because I've really been wanting a light. You guys are probably like, Amy, do you not have enough lights? I've really been wanting a light that has a warm temperature as well as a cool, because I really want to do a golden hour sunset, like golden hour makeup look. So I'm gonna have to wait till the evening when the sun is setting, and I really want to do a golden hour makeup look. And I also figured I should get a light that has the warm temperature, so sometimes I can take photos with warm temperature. So I just wanted to try it out. That one had really good reviews, so I purchased it. I'll pop up the photo here so you guys can get a visual. But yeah, it really wasn't that expensive at all, so I really wanted to give it a try. I've also heard that Newer is a really good brand. I did buy something else from CB2. So I was on CB2 looking for home decor, and you guys, there's nothing I want to do more right now than go home decor shopping. But obviously I can't, and it's a really awkward time to buy furniture. Like, I'm not comfortable buying furniture and then having to get it delivered and then having delivery people in my house because, you know, social distancing, like, stay back. So yeah, I'm not buying any furniture or anything like that because of that reason. But I did come across the most adorable white and black marble boxes on CB2 that would be perfect for my studio, and they were on sale, so I decided to buy them. I'm going to show you guys on like some vlog footage right now how they look. Like, are they not absolutely adorable? I just thought it was the perfect little decor piece to go on the console table in my studio, and I just love the black marble and the white marble, and just combining the two, just gorgeous. I love them. All right, you guys, so that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the random stuff that I've been purchasing. Let me know down below in the comment section, what is the weirdest thing you have bought online so far? So yeah, that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.